Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Ayeecourt. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day and happy holidays or whenever you're seeing this video. I am going to be doing by the title Island Twist, so stay tuned for that, okay? Also, like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. We're almost at 1K and I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a good day. Alright, so I do have Jamaican twist hair. Okay, it's pre-stretched already by Sensational, I think. So I'm gonna take one piece of each bundle of hair, okay, and I'm going to unravel the Jamaican twist hair. Yes, unravel it, okay, because at the end it's kind of like matted and put tucked away. So we need to unravel them so you can untwist it. Do the ends first so it won't be so you won't lose so much hair. And then I just unwrap the 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 coil of hair or whatever you want to call it, and then you'll have your piece of hair. Okay, and with my Jamaican twist, with my island twist, all I did was use one of those pieces, right? And I braided it in like I was doing a knotless braid. Okay, so I took it and split it into two parts. It's a little rough sometimes, but it's okay. Take the ends of the hair and just comb it out. You see how I'm saying, like, sometimes the ends of the island twist hair does get matted. Just pull that out, okay? Now that we got our two pieces of hair for our island twist, let's work on some deep wave hair. I forgot the brand of hair, but it's some deep wave hair. It's synthetic. So yeah, so separate it. You see how it got untangled, but it's all right. Just separate it, and what I do is I'll add that piece to make the little, add the piece in. So you see I have these three pieces right here. So I'm going to use those two Jamaican twist pieces, which was one, right? And I'm going to put it in my head like a knotless braid at the top, and also to twist down. Okay? So let's get into it. So I'm about to use my favorite product, Shiny Jam. Okay, yeah, that's all I had on hand, so we're gonna use it. So I've been doing my hair for a second in this video. I was like, oh, let me record right quick. So we're gonna, gel up our hair, get it right and whatever. And I'm going to create that part, make sure that part is straight, okay, and make sure my hair is detangled, and we're going to make a box. I'm making the boxes maybe like, I don't know, you see how the boxes are. Let's smooth that out, and then I'm going to clip my hair away, and we're going to work on this piece of hair. So I got my two pieces of the the Jamaican twist hair. Okay, and I'm gonna make it like I'm about to do a knotless braid. Sorry, I'm not in frame, but I'll show you in a second. It's coming. So what I do is I take the hair and connect it to my head in between my middle finger and my pointer finger, and just braid it at the root. Okay, braid it at the root, and then after that I braid one side, braid again, and then I add the other piece of braiding hair, which will be my Jamaican twist. I'm cracking up, y'all. I'm sorry. My friend on the phone had me cracking up. I wish I could let y'all hear the audio, but but anyways, I'm gonna braid down, right? And then I'm gonna braid down for like maybe four braids, and then I'm gonna turn it into a twist. Take those two pieces and I'm gonna twist it. See how I flip my hand over? And you can't see because I'm not in frame, but I'm going to move my head in a second in frame to start the twist. Sorry, there we go. So you take your hair, take the two pieces, make sure it's nice and flush, and do like a singly twist. Or if you know how to twist, this will be real easy for you. I'm so sorry, I'm not in frame. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, twist, twist, twist. In a second, I will be showing you again, but yeah, I'm twisting it down, and that's how you do it. And then I'll show you in a second how to add hair to your twist and then go down, okay? Okay, so it's time to add the deep wave hair at not the end. I did it in the mid, like almost at the end of the twist uh hair. So what I'm doing is I'm using a regular piece of the deep wave hair, and I put it at the end of the hair because I wanted to make sure it was in there really good. And all I did was keep twisting down till I couldn't twist no more, and made sure that the Jamaican twist hair was all the way twisted down, and then I would have the curly piece at the end of it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so I have it in a different frame for you guys. So you see me, I'm twisting down, right? Hand getting tired. But yeah, I'm twisting it all the way down, and you see, like, I got so much Jamaican twist hair left, right? So I took an end piece, I added an extra piece because I wanted it to be full at the ends. You don't have to have it too full, but I wanted my my curly ends full, you know. So I twisted it, I kept twisting, and you'll see in a second I will tie a knot, and then I will cut the Jamaican twist hair um that is at the end, so it won't be really that noticeable, because once I put it in hot water, you're not going to be able to see it anyway. But I just didn't want it thick at the, where I tied it at. I didn't want it to be too thick. But do not cut off the curly end pieces, just cut off the Jamaican twist piece, if that makes sense. I hope I'm explaining this right. So I'm braiding the hair like a knotless braid, right? And I already put the twisting hair in. I'm about to add my curly piece now, so you can see like what I do. So I take the curly piece, I add it to the hair. After I did the braid, I'm about to twist it, right? And I said, oh wait, I need a curly piece. So let me go grab the curly piece. That's what I'm grabbing now. And I put it above my head and I'm gonna twist it in. Okay. Sorry, I don't know why I wasn't in frame, but I want to show y'all. So hold on, let me see if I go on my tippy toes. Yeah. So I add the hair in and I just twist it down and leave the piece of deep wave hair. It's just gonna be twisted in with the Jamaican twist hair. Okay, you guys. So yeah, so that piece will be left out, and that makes it island twist, boho, island, all of that good stuff. Okay, but you see me adding my adding the deep wave hair, twisting it in to my twist, because that's where my hair had ended at. So what I did was, because I knew it wasn't going to be thick enough, so I was like, well, let me just twist it all the way down, all the way down, and then I add my pieces. Okay. And we are almost done. I'm taking that piece and I'm twisting it using my thumb, holding it over, trying to get it the right way so y'all can see. Okay, and I put it in between my two fingers and let it go, let it loose, like a tie. You're tying a knot, and then I'll cut that piece off. I do it twice though, and then I'll tie the knot of the Jamaican twist hair, not the deep wave hair. Leave the deep wave hair. Okay, so you'll see me over here. Okay, you can't see it. We're almost through though. You see how it's got a little piece left? I'm like, okay, maybe I need to cut it. But once I put some hot water to the hair, not the ends, okay, not the ends. I did not do the ends, but you see that the hair has a piece of curly pieces in it now to make it wavy. So yeah. Okay, so yes, I have finished, and I did wet the hair. So how I wet the hair was I dipped it in, but holding the curly pieces. Okay, this is me showing you the hair, and it took me, if you do your own hair, I took a break. Okay, but if I was doing this on somebody's head, this probably would take me about 6 hours to do. Okay, yeah, just like a regular normal head. But you just got to make sure you got the pieces right. And I said I did use Jamaican twist pre-stretched hair. Okay, it was in a 1B, but this is the curly hair, how it looks and stuff like that. I didn't want mine as thick, so I just did a couple pieces of curly, because I changed my hair a lot, and I'm so happy. Y'all don't know how happy I am that I finished my hair. I was like, oh my gosh, I did it. It was about like 2 a.m. in the morning. But yes, I'm just showing you. I didn't do my edges or nothing like that. But you get the dress. Yeah, you get it. Look at me all happy. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are you watched till the end, I appreciate you. Just giving my vogue right quick, and I said, oh, let me make some form fitting bangs in the front of my head. So I was like, let me cut my hair. But the products I used for the island to get it going was some mousse, and I used some hot water and some oil on my hair, and I kept it in a bonnet. Okay, now this is synthetic hair, you guys. If you want the nice island look, if on a budget, synthetic is your way to go. It will tangle. That will be a con. Okay, it will tangle. Now, pro would be human hair. Get some human hair if you have it in your budget. Okay, use some old bundle hair if you want to. You can do it. Make it work. Get to that head and do it. If you want to do a hairstyle, you can do it. Okay. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do your own hair. Now, here is the finished product, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Love you guys so much. Sending you peace, love, and light. And like, share, and subscribe.